everybody. Zoe, look. Look at the camera. Hey, people. I'm special use. You want to wave? Ah, okay. You want to tell everybody what you're going to be doing? Yeah. Hey, Zoe is going to do her doggy Evan camera. And we're going to do day 5. We are? Yeah, we are. What? And she's so excited about this situation that she's in right now because, you know, Santa Paws, he's like on his way in a couple of weeks. Yeah, hey, nope. Okay, you're getting a little feisty now, and you're stepping on my stuff. What? Did you say something? What was it? What was that about? Okay, let's do this. Okay, day 5. It's a Christmas tree! Ah! Hey. She was supposed to wait. And then tomorrow, we are gonna do day 6. Sorry. We're gonna do day 6, okay. Aw. Are you excited about the situation that you're in right now? Look. Look at the camera. So, look. You're doing ASMR, you know that? I am? Oh, shiver. Okay. So, if you like this content, you know what to do. Excuse me. Santa Paws is watching. I don't care. Don't think about it. She better not think. And she's getting into... Hey. Let's go. All right.